trying again. Yeah, perfectly working now. Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the error. As you can see that when I trying to install a composer uh, required file, when I try to install a composer project, hit enter, then showing the error. But here error list has a SSL certificate problem, unable to get local issue certification, etc. How to solve the problem while live view in the project? If you are using any antivirus, like I am installing Avast Premium Security, and now I am stopping the security system as like wall security for 10 minutes. Yeah, everything stop it. Then I'm trying here, not working, but I'm not rebooting the system. Okay, after restarting my PC, then I will trying to install. Sorry, I'm not stopping my antivirus to going to antivirus. Then going to protection. Stop all here in real site. Also protection core shield. Also protection behavior shield. Also protection mail shield. Like all service I will stopping from as like my antivirus is disabled. Then I'll try here also add RAM server shield. Also lots of site is enabled automatically, but trying again. No, not working. Spam guard, protection, virus, firewall, also firewall is stop. Then protection, code sheet is off. Network inspector, no problem. It's like the bank not web card, so stop. Then trying again. Yeah, perfectly working now after all antivirus service is stopping. So they has confirmed it as this problem is from antivirus. I am faced the problem previously, and this is my experience to installing the composer, and you can see that all my installation system is done and going to dashboard. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. Thanks again.